Hello, Year 10. Welcome back to our virtual school. Quick explanation of your work for today. So, as usual, you'll see an assignment that looks like this. And here is your lesson. First of all, for the do now, you need to look at your KO to fill in the gaps. And I have uploaded a copy of Unit 3 KO in case you've misplaced yours. Make sure that you fill in the gaps, please. Do not leave any gaps empty. There's not any excuse for doing that, as the KO is now uploaded for you. And then task number 1 is retrieval practice. This is information from Unit 2. It's on Jekyll and Hyde. So you'll need to check your KO from Unit 2 if you don't have this information in your brains yet. One of the reasons that we're doing this is so that you will have this information still fresh when we do your PPEs, as one of them will be a question on Jekyll and Hyde. The second task of today's lesson is batch feedback on your formative assessment. So you open that up, which is a separate document that I've attached for you. This was the question that you were asked here, the relationship between Banquio and Macbeth. And I want to highlight that we've put in some what went wells and even better ifs that apply to many of you. The actual work is you have a choice here. You can either return to it, use a purple font, and edit at least a paragraph of your work, or you need to check your assessment and see if your teacher, like my class, for example, I gave them specific comments. So I might say task for improvement number 1, which means that that student wrote about the extract, but not about the rest of Macbeth. So they need to write an additional paragraph that focuses on Banquo, et cetera, et cetera. Okay. Or if you did not do the assessment, or if you could not do the assessment, you need to write a thesis and first paragraph on this document. Okay. Now, to help everyone out, at the bottom, I've put some show calls, some excellent work. Some students wanted to remain anonymous, so their names aren't there. But a shout out to Jasmine and to Anonymous, you know who you are, and to Lauren for these 3 really strong thesis statements. Do read these. And then also Jasmine and Anonymous for your body paragraphs. These are really good examples of how you write paragraphs for this type of essay question. So do have a read of those. Also, before I close for today, just want to remind you that you have homework that is due tomorrow, Tuesday, the 21st of April. So I wanted to remind you of that. This is just showing you what's on here, and make sure that you turn this in. This is actually for the lesson on Tuesday. You will need it. So make sure that you've done that before our lesson on Tuesday. Okay, bye.